Hi hello Vanakkam. Nanungal Sunfosh. Naloi Rupom Naloi Rupom. Elorum Naloi Rupom. This is my first match of the season for Timpali 5's team, Sunday League. A team for young stars and others. Playing at 3rd Premier Cheshire County League, its standards are high. After first 2 games were washed off, due to rain. This is our first game getting onto the field. Timpali CC 5th 11 vs Grapenhall CC 3 Road 11. Timpali won the toss and elected to bowl on a cloudy condition. First ball. Four. Outcourt. A good outswinger by Swaraj. And great catch by skipper Vijay Anand. Four. Four. Out or not out? Drop in comments. Drop catch. Four. Four. How close was that? Out bowled. Straight one on the stumps by Pankaj. Four. This kid here, Aryan Dash, is just 13-year-old. Mark my words, I will be extremely disappointed if I don't see him playing international cricket in future. He is definitely one of the best talent in all means that I have seen on cricket field. Best wishes for him. Another miss by me. A real bad day behind wicket for me. Four. Sharp leg turn and out caught by keeper. First dismissal for me. And look who is on the field for a celebration. Out bowled, a pacey ball from Harris. Batter survived yet another chance. Out or not out? I got slipped at wrong time. Sad face.
Head office is over there. Right. So, black one. Shots.
4. Out LBW. Another pacey ball by Harris. Out bowled. A googly by the talented Aryan. Wicket-keeping masterclass. Watch the next few balls this batter plays Harris. He steps out.
Really nice.
He steps out again. Brilliant save from the fielder. Batters ran 3 runs. Good overall cricket. After seeing the batter's intent, I stood up to the stumps and signaled to bowl a short-pitched one. Look what happened next. Out-stumped. Definitely one of the best I had last season. Set batter out after scoring a 50. Frustrated of losing partners. 4.
In the bin.
Out bowled again. 4th wicket for Harris.
So like Graham came over yesterday and was like,
Out stumped. Another stumping, but this time of Aryan's bowling.
Oh, do we need a battery pack like that for our...
Stumping appeal. As a keeper, I felt batter was outside the line. Another appeal. This time for LBW.
Way too high. Way too high. 6'2". It's above the knee roll.
well, Abby should go and do it. I am honestly tired of
Isaac!
Funny side of cricket.
So I don't think I'll be doing it quite as quickly as I had hoped to. Doesn't get any better, does it?
Shot! Run it!
Nothing's gone.
Four!
4.
6! 4!
Out. This time no confusion. Caught by keeper, Aryan got his 4th wicket. And I ended up with 4 dismissals, 2 catch and 2 stumpings. Grapenhall CC 3rd 11 got all out for 125. On a tough cloudy condition. Up front Jerjees and Swaraj used the new ball really well, swinging both ways and giving away no easy runs. Swaraj picked up a wicket. Followed by Pankaj and Jaskaran bowled tight spell, but hero of the game were Harris and Aryan, both picking 4 wickets and giving away nothing. Now let's wait for the chase by Timpoli CC. AM asked to open the innings, my favourite position, and for the first time this season in a league game. Oopsie. Rain God had other plans. It started pouring down heavily after the first innings. Our skipper trying all the black magic to stop rain and get a game. But as you see, it's still raining and all odds against a game. Game not called off yet, so the wait continues.
You've told me you want to I'm holding the process to get the play, and I'll probably give you it because you're my mate. There's a few mistakes.
Meanwhile, Jeji is being the weatherman and all seniors looking at where the rain is moving towards.
यहाँ तक है after 6:30 we have a bit of a gap.
All weather. Weather expert. All expert. We are weathermen. Where do you want to go?
On the other hand, juniors started a new game. Have you had such an experience of bowling out opponents and rain cancelling your batting innings? Drop in comments if you had. What is your favourite and weird rule in an indoor cricket on a rainy day? Drop in comments.
Hey. Heading, huh?
He doesn't know what he's out.
Headbutt is out.
And they're bowling Oxford and they're still just getting everything. It's really nice. You need every game, they're 50 for not, 50 for what. Yeah. We have
Finally, the skipper joined the juniors, which is an ominous sign of match got called off. We ended up getting 2 additional points for getting the opponent all out. Disappointed not to bat. See you in next game video. Do subscribe and support our channel for more cricket.
Aggressive batting, aggressive batting.
when he comes out to bat.